All right, the March numbers are in. This is our market update. I'm Angela Rodriguez, your favorite broker in Greenville, South Carolina. And we are having what I was calling an early spring. New listings are up to 2,539. That's actually 500 more listings than last month. This is what we expect to see this time of year. As the temperatures warm up, people are ready to buy and people are ready to put their houses on the market. April, May, and June are what we call prime time real estate months. So who you work with matters. The other big statistic that is jumping out at me that catches my eye is days on market. That number is going down. It's down by 4 days this month. So we've gone from 62 last month to 58 days on market this month. Okay, our average listing price, that is also moving down to $392,713. The average sales price is also moving down to $386,430. And that's not a trend that concerns me at all, because what that data says to me is that homes that are overpriced sit a little longer, but homes that are priced right are flying. We actually had a house this week that was priced under $500,000 and it pulled more than 10 offers. So there is still an intense demand in our area, especially for a good house in a good neighborhood. And you better have a good advisor to help you navigate this market. It's a great time to buy and it's a great time to sell, because this is a great place to live, work, and play. Again, I'm Angela Rodriguez. Thank you for watching our video. If you know anyone looking to buy or sell, please send them my way, and I'll see you on the next video.